That's enough, honey. We gotta go. Time to go to Applebee's. Can you switch out their legs? If they could switch out. OMG, you can. Let's make some other Wreck-It Ralph figures eject from the vehicle. Hi, Avatar. Here we go.
Yes! Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys. We have a big haul to show you guys. We have the new Wreck-It Ralph 2 Ralph Breaks the Internet figures and so awesome slaughter race vehicle by Bandai. Let's get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Tubi Toys, and if you haven't already, ring that notification bell. Every time we post a new video or host a giveaway, you'll be the first one to get notified. Let's get started. Back when these figures first came out in September, or maybe even October, probably September, I had showed you the video of Wreck-It Ralph Poseable figure by Bandai. So awesome. He has 5 points of articulation and he's super poseable. Now, there were other figures that came out with this, and I finally got them off of Amazon. I got them for $9.99 each, and I got the slaughter race vehicle on there as well. It was on sale for $24.99. Had to grab it, need to complete this set, and I had to get it now only because other figures that I've had, like this one that's still in its package from 2013, Heroes Duty Wreck-It Ralph. I mean, like, these figures are really small compared to this, and I like small figures, but I appreciate this size better. So thank you, Bandai, for taking over and doing the right thing for Wreck-It Ralph 2. Let's get started. So let's move on to the other figures that came out. We have Vanellope. They each come with their own avatar. And what's awesome about these avatars is that you can create your own. So you can actually spin the heads. They're like little blockhead figures. And you could spin them and change their expressions. So you can mix them and match them, twist them, change their mood, and there are three in total. So we have Vanellope with this light guy, Fix-It Felix with this guy with a donut, and we have Calhoun with Love Heart's eyes guy. Calhoun looks awesome. Let's open up Calhoun first. There are 16 facial expressions that you could make with these. Pretty cool. This movie is gonna be epic only because, like, we have Disney princesses in there, but not like your typical Disney princess. We have Disney princesses that are like napping in their PJs. Like, this is unheard of. The only time I ever remember seeing a princess in their PJs was Cinderella when she first like woke up in like one of the like the second or third scenes of Cinderella. It's crazy, and she was wearing like a little nightgown, and even that looked like a little princess dress. These remind me of like the blockhead figures like from the 80s. You guys know what I'm talking about? Well, it comes with a little sign as a heart and a shopping cart. We have Calhoun. Let's see. 1, 2, oh wow, 3, 4, 5. Pretty poseable. Nice. She's so pretty too. She had the saddest story. It was a pretty sad story. If you remember it from Wreck-It Ralph Part 1, let me know in the comments below. What happened to her on her wedding day? What happened? She looks good, soldier. Let's see if she could stand up. I cannot get her to stand, so we're gonna just lean her into Ralph. Okay, let's try to turn this guy's head. I'm having a hard time because his hair line is like flush with the actual head, and it's hard for me to take it off. Okay, here we go. Oh, nice. So you could put this part in like any part of their head. Different facial expressions. And you could turn the facial expression to create 16 different expressions, which is really cool. Can't really separate them, but this is awesome though. Let's take this off and put their hair back on. Now you can't switch their faces, but I'm sure you could switch their hair pieces, which would be really cool. Let's make him go shopping. Where is it a girl? I think it's a girl. Alrighty, let's move on to Vanellope. Here is Vanellope. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. She has 5 points of articulation. Yes, she does. She's so cute. She's a nice size figure. Let's hope she stands up on her own. She's a little top heavy. Let's see. No, no. Let's rest her into Ralph. Let's take a look at her avatar. He is super cool with his pixelated glasses. Let's take off his head. Much easier to take off. And you could definitely switch out their hair pieces. He has some fun expressions. I like the goatee one. Super cool. He has a broken heart, or looks like a Facebook like. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, please. And he is poseable at the waist. Really awesome. What do you think of these avatars? I wonder what their role in the movie is. Maybe they're gonna like annoy them as they go through the internet. Can you switch out their legs? You can! Let's see if they could switch out. OMG, you can. Look at that. That's so cool. This is awesome. All right, we're gonna have to do like a switching heads video for sure. Okay, the blockheads don't really stand that well. This one does though, with the hard eyes. Stands pretty well. Let's move on to Fix It Felix Jr. Runaway head, runaway head. OMG. So we have Fix It Felix with his golden hammer. That is so awesome. And he also has 5 points of articulation. He even has his gloves. Super cool. I think he is awesome. I'm so happy we have like a regular size figure of Fix It Felix because he was like the hardest one to get. Let's see if he stands up. No, he doesn't. But we have another avatar right here, and he has the Sleepy Z's and a donut. Here's his little outfit over here. And let's take off his hairpiece. Okay, so there are 16 expressions that you can create by mixing and matching all of the facial expressions. And they're like, our no two are the same. So we have the one with the glasses. We have one that looks angry. And again, you could switch out their hair pieces. You could switch their faces, even switch their pants with the other avatars if you want to change their outfits. And depending on the avatar's mood, you could change the sign. So he's very angry because he's so super tired. Let's move on to the meat of the video, the Slaughter race vehicle. I have no idea what this vehicle is all about, but it does come with an exclusive Vanellope. Move over. So we have our exclusive Vanellope, and she looks super cool with her sunglasses. This thing shoots rockets. It has an ejection seat. It is amazing. And look, I didn't even notice this. It's not making any noises. Oh no. All right, let's take it out of the box. Let's hope it works. Supposed to make sounds, supposed to fit Ralph. I can't wait to see this thing jump up. And I want to be as happy as this child right here. Here we go. Oh, wow. That's so cool. That's pretty loud. I love it. Sweet. Totally worth it. Again, I got it off of Amazon, but I think you could buy it like in store at Target now, and you really got to watch out because like there's so many like Black Friday sales going on. Hopefully these will be included, but I doubt they're going to be pretty discounted because they just came out. Also, it includes one exclusive Vanellope figure. You're not going to get this figure anywhere else because she's wearing glasses, but let's see if those glasses are removable. Okay, so here is Vanellope, and the sunglasses, they're molded onto her face. She has the same expression. Everything is the same. Even her articulation is exactly the same, except the head has molded on glasses. All right, so now let's see about these rockets. To shoot off your rockets, you're going to slide back the trunk of the car, and you're going to bring up the rockets. After you pull back the missiles, you're going to press this button and launch your missile. Whoa! And then you could just reload it again. Just press it down and you could put the trunk back on. Now let's eject Vanellope von Schweetz. In order to detach the seat, we're going to press the button. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Awesome! Now we're going to buckle Vanellope in by unbuckling the seatbelt. and she's supposed to sit nicely in the seats, and the seat's made just for her, and we're gonna add Ralph in since Ralph can fit in this car too, which is a nice touch. Now Ralph can't drive the car. He's too big anyway because he's 9 feet tall and he's like 600 pounds. I'm gonna load the vehicle back into the car and it's gonna make a click. Let's add Ralph in for fun. Whoa, he's so big. Now let's make Vanellope eject. Let's see if she can eject with Ralph inside the vehicle. Ready? Yes! And she's still in her seats. Let's get her out of the vehicle. Or get her back in the vehicle and take out Ralph, and let's eject her again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh no! 1, 2, 3. What? Sweet. Overall, I think this vehicle is really awesome and it glides beautifully on like a flat surface. So I think you will have a lot of fun playing with it. Now, the jump seat or the ejector seat clicks into place so you could easily eject Vanellope. Overall, the style of the vehicle is really, really nice. The color's nice. It has really cool sounds. I like the finish on it, and the tires are like really nicely done. They're really super spinny. Everything is plastic. There's no rubber on here, and it does take button cell batteries that are included. Hey, Ralph.
Yeah?
Let's go out for a spin.
Fine with me, let's go.
Sweet.
I love it, just us in the open road.
That's right, friend. Watch out. Sorry, I got this.
Ah! My butt's hanging out.
I want to have target practice with all of the avatars, but only one of them stands up. So let's try shooting down this Love Heart one. Let's take it out. See if we got this. Ready, steady, go. Oh, bummer. Ah! Oh, what a bust. Overall, I think this car is really awesome, and I love the way it moves. It glides beautifully. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's make some other Wreck-It Ralph figures eject from the vehicle. Let's see if Fix-It Felix Jr. wants to go for a spin. Not really. It's okay, honey. I'll be with you. Oh, Calhoun is so sweet. Let's put Calhoun in the passenger seat, and let's get Fix-It Felix in the driver's seat. Let's see if he can fit and get ejected. Here we go. Go easy on him, soldier. I will. Don't worry, Calhoun. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, Fix-It Felix! Oh my god, that was awesome. Let's do it again. Ah! Sweet. Oh my gosh, I think Fix-It Felix ejects better than Vanellope. Ready? Go. Oh, awesome. Calhoun, it's your turn. I'm ready for the challenge. Let's hope she fits. Oh, maybe her legs won't. Uh-oh. I don't think her legs are gonna fit. Fix-It Felix's legs are pretty short, and so are Vanellope's. Yeah, I don't think her legs are gonna fit. Let's see if we can adjust her a little bit. I don't want to force it, but looks like we might have to. Here she is. Let's see if she comes out. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, Calhoun. Oh my god. 3. Goodbye, Calhoun. Oh my god. I love it. This is great. What about avatars? Do you think this avatar is going to be good enough to get ejected? Let's see. No, don't do it. Oh no, this dude's like totally scared now. He changed his face. Uh-oh. Sorry, you're going in.
Ah, I can't even fit.
Goodbye, Avatar. I love it. Oh my gosh, I have to put Fix It Felix back in there because he like flies the best. Let me know in the comments below, who do you think ejected from the vehicle the best? Was it Vanellope, Fix It Felix, Calhoun, or the Avatar? Let me know in the comments below. Ready, steady, go! Oh no, that was a bust. What? We ran over Calhoun. That's enough, honey. We gotta go. It's time to go to Applebee's. Oh, Applebee's, my favorite. Oh, I didn't know that Fix It Felix liked Applebee's. Alright, Fix It Felix, enjoy your Applebee's. Yes, the 2 for $20 menu. It's good for a couple trying to save money. That's right. Let's go. Wow, Applebee's. I want to go to Applebee's. Yeah, me too. I love Applebee's. Alright guys, I think it's time to end this video. I think I'm going to be ejecting figures all night long. Let me know in the comments below which one you like best. Do you like the Vanellope without the glasses or the Vanellope with the cool sunglasses? Let's eject regular Vanellope for old time's sake. Here we go. Yes, that's what I want to see. You rock Vanellope without the glasses. Yep, I know. Oh my gosh. All of these amazing figures from Bandai. I love them so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.